Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be showing you how I made this Easter splatter screen wreath using materials from Dollar Tree. First you're going to need a splatter screen, and I just removed the knob. You're going to need a cute sign from Dollar Tree, and it says this chick is ready for Easter. You're going to need 5 floral picks from Dollar Tree. 2 of mine, I believe, came from Walmart. You do not need the bunny rabbit Easter picks for this one. You will need a zip tie, some floral stem wire, your scissors, some ribbon with wire for a bow, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, your wire cutters, and I think that's it for this wreath. This is a quick and inexpensive wreath to make. So first you're going to take your floral picks, and you're going to pick out the taller ones and put them in back and just kind of fluff the picks as you go. And you're going to need a zip tie to wrap tightly around your bouquet when you get it finished. Sorry if you hear something, my little chihuahua's here and she found a little dog treat on the floor, so she's crunching it. So just continue until you have all of your flowers layered together, and then you're going to take your zip tie and zip tie it tightly around your flowers, and then trim off the extra part of the zip tie. Next, you are going to want to add some pipe cleaners to the back of your sign. So I'm just hot gluing some pipe cleaners on, and you'll want to use the cheap, inexpensive pipe cleaners because they thread through the splatter screen much easier than the fluffy ones. Set your sign aside and let the hot glue dry. You do not have to make this wreath for Easter. You can make it for any season, for any holiday. You might want to make it for spring or summer or maybe 4th of July. So next I'm going to take my flowers and I am going to take some floral stem wire, and I'm just going to wire my bouquet onto the splatter screen. So I'm just going right above the zip tie, threading my wire through on each side. Then I'm going to go to the back and give the wires a few twists. Now you could paint your splatter screen first if you wanted to and let it dry before you get started. I didn't spray paint this one, but I have before and it turns out really cute painted. And I added a second wire so that my flowers would not move. Next I'm tying a double bow, and this ribbon came from Dollar Tree. So just let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, make another loop about the same size, and then just continue going back and forth, trying to make your loops the same size on each side, and then let out a tail, and you'll want to have either a pipe cleaner or floral stem wire close by to wrap tightly around the center of your bow. And I am using 20 gauge floral stem wire, and I am just using crafting supplies from my stash. So just remember, try to stay at home and only go out when you have to. Next I'm dovetailing the ends, so fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left side, go to your fold and cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, and then fluff your loops. Next you're going to take your bow wires and go just above the wire where you attached your bottom wire to attach your bouquet to the splatter screen. Thread your wires through on each side of your flowers, then go to the back and give it a few twists. Now you can add felt to cover the back of your splatter screen so it doesn't scratch your door when you get it all finished, or you could add a Dollar Tree placemat to the back of it so it doesn't scratch your door when you're finished. Next I'm taking my sign and I'm just going to take my pipe cleaners, and I'm just going to thread the pipe cleaners through the splatter screen, then go the back and give them a few twists and cut them off also. And just remember, the cheap, inexpensive pipe cleaners thread through the easiest. I have one more Easter craft project that I may do, and then I'm really just about out of crafting supplies, so I don't know when I'll have the chance to go shopping again. So this may be my last one for a little while. I had planned to do a yardstick Easter door swag, but I really don't have that many Easter decorations like I would like to make it really pretty and full, so we'll just have to wait and see if I can come up with enough materials to make one or not. In the comments section below, let me know what you're planning to do for Easter. Are you cooking a big meal? Are you just having a small meal and doing an Easter egg hunt at home? What are you doing this year? It's just going to be the 4 of us this year, and I'm just going to cook a simple meal, and we'll just do an Easter egg hunt around our house. To hang the splatter screen wreath, I usually just thread a piece of wire through the splatter screen, make a loop, and give it a few twists to hang it up. Now I probably should have waited on doing my wire until the very end. Next, I added some of this Easter vase filler around the rim of the splatter screen. I just think it dressed it up, and that way if the splatter screen was showing, the little glitter foam balls kind of covered it up, and I like just the extra touch that the little vase filler gives. So I just kind of did a pattern all the way around. I didn't do it where the flowers were thicker, I just kind of did it where I thought it needed the vase filler. And just remember to go back and fluff your flowers and fluff the loops on your bow. And now you're ready to hang up your wreath, and you have a wreath that cost you less than $10 to make. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Easter.